Byagambo mu rukiko rwo kubanza rw'abakansara ba district ya Rubanda orwakorerwa hambuga nkuru za district ya Rubanda. Project y'oruguto rwa Kabare kuza Bunyonyi orwa kilometero 15 n'ubucweka munana orwatongozi bokorwa 2013 by'ukwezi kwa Mukaga umwaka guhwire. Umuhizi wa speaker w'ishengero ry'ihanga Thomas Tayobwa akagira ngo kabanetekatekwa kuhindura gumwa hamyanya ari kumanya munongo mbyo burambuzo mu Uganda ogwenyanja ya Bunyonyi.
Cyatutangarize hagati aho baheza kucukura kamara makaka alimu batamuza hampusi zingana hahona enkuto yona yacukuka yaba nkenshi bagikozire kikorogero nk'ekyente aba emoto tractors zona zagenda contractor tituramanye cyatumire yagenda hati twerarikirire munonga murobubwire bwo mushana hari kubamo accidents nyingi habwo kuba harimo mucucu mwingi emoto ko gikuratire endije kuratire ho toragihweza rero obuterere turi kugamba bw'enjura konko buterere bwo mucucu nabwo bukanyire.
Urugudo rwa Bunyonyi no rwa districts ibiri Kabare hamwe na Rwanda kandi izi districts zitibiri basically urugudo ruratuyamba mu byo burambuzi kandi uburambuzi nubwo burareta isente nyingi uyiriho Rwanda na Kabare hamwe na n'umwihangariyona. Urugudo uyavere tushemerirwe ujangwa bibembizi bita national level barakira ku rugambo ho burishaha na munonga of parliament.
For those who did listen to the president's deliberations, he focused more on PDM. For those who listened to the budget reading by the Minister of Finance, there is quite a lot of money that trickles down to the local person. My question is, does it do its purpose?
Project yo kumaraho buhumbi gani 12 kanetwara mu ruguto rwa Kisoro mu Gahinga esente zo koro mu rumogu zikaruguma African Development Bank hamwe na government ya Uganda kandi some great Egypt engineers and contractors nibo bahirwe mpatane mu rumogu kabandi gutekatekwa gukorerwa myezi 18 konka tuguryo myaka 3 kandi tugahwire.
Your leadership contributed to the progress we see today in our education department, the health services, roads, water supply, how we shall be operating throughout the year. As we were closing the term, we also approved the development plan for the district for the 5 years. So, honorable members, I'm telling this to you that you pick interest to read these documents.
Bayireka nkubara kwatanise hamwe n'abembezi bahiguru nibija kutungura district ya Rubanda gasha kwa Nelson Ayimbisuwe.